Good day. Today I will show you how to remove the A-pillar trim on your Mercedes. You are right now on the Mercedes W126 channel. I'm Hervé and I will show it to you. We will start by removing the rubber that we've got here for the door. For this we simply pull it outwards and it should come off. That's it. Nice and easy. To remove the trim now, if you would have something like this, it would be nice. If you don't, it doesn't matter. What this is something to remove trim on cars. You will find it on eBay, on Amazon, etc. Okay, so I'll use something like that to pull it out a little bit from the chassis. Okay, and then we'll use a fine flat screwdriver as well. Okay, as I say, if you don't have that, it doesn't matter. Use something a bit similar and that will be it. I will show you first with the part dismantled, so like that you can see what I'm talking about. If you've got this, you can use it to pry it out a little bit from the chassis of the car. Okay, and then you should be able to see that clip that's right behind. Okay, so once you've got when you see that clip, what you'll do, you will use the screwdriver and you will push it, so like that it will dislocate from where it's fitted. Okay, I will try and show you a bit better. Okay, you see we've got the clip and we'll press it that way, and normally it will come off. Okay, so once you've done one side, then you'll do the upper part. As you have seen, it's pretty straightforward, so there's no problem here. Just in case you break the clip, I will try and give you the part number, so like that you will be able to replace it. That will cost nothing really. Now, to place it back, well, it's very easy. You put it in place, you knock it a little bit, and that's it. That'll be done. Okay, then you place back the rubber, and that's it. So I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it's useful to you. Stay tuned onto the channel, subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.